time to call Mr. Russell Pampacal, the sports director of Akari, to present the Best Opposite Hitter Award. Ladies and gentlemen, the Best Opposite Hitter of the tournament from Las Piñas. Thank you so much, Mr. Russell Pampacal, for presenting the award and of the Philippine Olympic Committee to present the Best Setter Award. From Las Congratulations